Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to farm cyberconnect token on Binance Launchpool. And Launchpool is one of the best way to make money online with crypto. And if this kind of video you are looking forward to, make sure you watch this video to the end. And you need to navigate to this option called launchpad. Then you need to press this launchpad. It's going to bring you over here, and this launchpad is different from launchpool. Then you will find this option over here at the bottom of this screen. Then press this launchpool, and as you can see, you can find this on Binance Launchpool that this token is in preparation. Time until this token farming starts is 11 hours 58 minutes. And make sure you subscribe to my channel so you get this real-time updates about crypto. And cyberconnect is a web3 social network that enable developers to create social applications. And total reward in this launch pool is 3 million of cyberconnect, and farming period is 30 days. And here is the token you can stake for you to get these rewards. And people have been staking. I'm going to show you how to stake. Then you can use this method to apply to this FDUSD pool or BNB pool. I will be doing this tutorial with this TUSD pool. I'm going to press this right now, and I'm having $40 in my account. I will just need to press stake, and I'm going to max this out. As you can see, max, and you need to press stake, and you see successfully staked. And you'll be able to find your allocation here. You see TUSD staked $40. And for if you want to redeem your token, you don't have to wait for a certain amount of time. Anytime you decide not to stake, just come over here and press max again, redeem, and you see successful with redeem. As you can see on available right here, if I want to stake this again, I can use this option. And once you have stake, I'm going to stake this again and press stake, and you see successfully stake, and you are receiving this reward. You will be able to find this reward right here, and every hour is going to update. And once you see that you have the reward to claim, you just use this claim reward right here. Because this farming have not started, I don't have any reward to claim, so this button is not going to function right now. And once this farming starts and I have some reward to claim, I'm going to use this button. So this is what you need to use. And I'm going to redeem this again. I want to show you another process. Go back again. I'm going to go back again, and I'm going to purchase BNB TUSD with BNB pair, and search. Here is the coin, and press buy. And for example, if you don't have this coin, then you want to buy this, how you will be able to buy. I'm going to press this, and I'm going to press buy right now. And right here, hopefully right now, this is the token I just bought. And I'm going to go back and press more, scroll back again, navigate to this launch pad, and as you can see over here, is already here. And you need to press this BNB pool also again, BNB pool, and the same thing applies to this. I have 0.1632 BNB. I'm going to press this. I'm going to max this out to stake and press stake. You see successfully staked BNB. And I'll go back again, navigate to this launch pool, and as you can see over here, this is the BNB staked over here. And you see my available balance is 00. If I want to redeem this, I'm going to press this redeem button to redeem this. and redeem. And right here, if you have staked and you've seen some reward over here, you'll be able to use this button to claim your rewards. And that's how this works. That's all you need to know about this launch pool on Binance. And if you get value in this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell. I'm going to see you on the next video. Let me know in the comment section any point in time you don't understand this process. It's my pleasure to guide you how to navigate this process, and be in there in the comment section to reply your message. And subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell.